video we have seen which part of syllabus of Maths 1 is omitted. In this video we will see which part of the syllabus is omitted from Maths 2 this year. So in the beginning I will tell you there is no change in chapter geometric constructions and trigonometry. So in first chapter similarity angle bisector theorem is omitted. From second chapter Pythagoras theorem, Apollonius theorem omitted. From chapter circle tangent secant theorem is omitted. From chapter coordinate geometry slope part is omitted, and from mensuration segment this part is omitted. I told you shortly. Now we'll see from chapter similarity. So basic proportionality and all this part it is there. Directly we'll see angle bisector theorem. Page number 8, this part is omitted, and property of angle bisector of a triangle omitted. Page number 9, full page omitted. Converse of bisector theorem omitted. Property of three parallel lines and their transversal omitted. Then next page number 11 omitted. Page number 12, first example is there which is based on basic proportionality. Second omitted example, page number 12, second example is omitted. Then page number next page 13, full page is cancelled. Page number 13, full page, practice set 1.2, it is based on angle bisector. Page number 14, fourth example is there. All other examples, third cancelled, fifth cancelled, sixth cancelled, seventh cancelled, based on angle bisector property. Only fourth is there, fourth. Next, eighth is cancelled, ninth is cancelled, omitted, and 10th is there. 10th example is there. 11th is omitted. The part which is omitted I made red mark there. Now next one we'll go there. So similarity chapter we are seeing, no change in 1.3. Theorem of similar triangle is there. Practice set 1.4, no change. Problem set 1. So the example based on these three parallel line and their transverse. 8th, 9th bisector, angle bisector property omitted. 8th and 9th example is omitted. Page number 28. 10th example 29 page omitted. Other examples are there as it is, no change. Now second chapter Pythagoras theorem. So in Pythagoras theorem important which is not changed as it is. Similarity and right angle, this part is there. We'll see directly the part which is omitted. Apollonius theorem is omitted from this application of Pythagoras theorem. So this part is omitted. Page number 40, application of Pythagoras theorem. So in that Apollonius theorem is there which is omitted. So page number 41, 42, all this part is omitted because based on Apollonius. Practice set 2.2, based on application of Pythagoras theorem as well as Apollonius, omitted full. Practice set 2.2. Then practice problem set 2, page number 44. Sixth example is omitted. Example number 6th. Example number page number 44. Sixth example, actually it is based on Apollonius theorem which is not there, but it is not given. But I feel sixth also is not there. It is also cancelled, but it is not mentioned. Page number 45. 8th is not there. 9th, 12th omitted. 8, 9, 8, 9 and 12 omitted. 17th and 18th Apollonius theorem cancelled. This 17th, 18th omitted from page number 46. So I made marks with red pen. 8, 9, 12, 17, 18 omitted from page number 46. Chapter number next third circle, important chapter. So theorems, basic concepts like circle passing, touching internally, externally, this part is there. Important theorems like tangent theorem, it is there. Converse of tangent theorem, and tangent segment theorem, which is important, which is there. There is no change. We have to see. So majority, no change is there on these pages. We will go directly to the here cyclic quadrilateral important theorem, which is there. No change is there in it, in that syllabus. We will go next pages. So here from this there is a change. Theorem of angle between tangent and secant, page number 75. This theorem is not there. Page number 75. Theorem of angle between tangent and secant from 75. 76 cancelled, omitted. 76, 77 omitted. 78 omitted. 79 omitted. 80 also omitted. 81 also omitted. So a practice set based on all these tangent, secant, two chords meet intersect each other interior to the circle. So based on this it is omitted. Practice set 3.5 it is omitted. Problem set 3, 7th question, 7th, page number 83, it is omitted. 7th only, page number 83. Page number 84 no change. 85 no change. 86 no change. Next page 87, example number 13 is omitted. 15 is omitted. Page number 88, 16th, 18th omitted. Example number 8, page number 89, question number 22nd omitted. 90 page 24th example is omitted. So in chapter geometric construction you will not find any change. So it is easy chapter for student. Now coordinate geometry, the distance formula and all this part kept as it is. So there we will find the change in the slope. So this as it is. This page is no change. Section formula no change. Centroid formula it is there. Shortly I am telling you practice set 5.2 no change. Now here from page number 116 you will find the change in slope. This portion is omitted this year. Page number 116, all say 117 full page, 118 full page, 119 full page. All here means it is all this part is related with the slope. With the help of slope we can solve this type of example. So this practice set 5.3 is based on slope only. So it is full practice set is omitted. Problem set 5, question number 4 based on question number 1 fourth sub question it is omitted because based on slope. Question number 2, 1, 2, 3 examples if we solve by slope method means slope omitted, therefore these examples are also omitted or cancelled, but by distance formula you can solve this example. So question number 2 it is omitted but you can solve this example by distance formula also. Question number 9th and 10th omitted. 9th and 10th based on slope. 22nd also omitted. Now trigonometry chapter, no change. You will not find any change in chapter trigonometry. So trigonometry chapter is also important, but there is no change. Mensuration, the part which we have studied, some part is there, you have studied previous class, it is there, but they have made change in the means the portion which is omitted is from segment. So that is the last part, segment. So segment is omitted from this chapter, last chapter, mensuration. So this is the segment of a circle. Page number 156. This 156 omitted. 57, 58, 158, 159 full exercise practice set, it is omitted. From problem set, few examples based on this segment, area of segment. 10th example is omitted. This way we saw which part of Maths 2 of standard 10th is omitted this year. If you like this video, you can give like and subscribe this channel to see more videos. Bye.